Hello YouTube, Dave here. I got something incredibly special to show you today. This is my brand new 2024 Ninja ZX-6R. As far as I know, this is one of only a few in the state of Texas right now. They just got the bike in on Tuesday, and today is Friday, and I just took it home, so they barely had it. And as far as I know, this will be the first video of a 2024 ZX-6R. So I'll give you a little overview. Red wheels, Nissan brakes. If you look at the graphics, this color is phenomenal. Like a pearl white and a metallic gray with the red accents. It looks so good. This bike is awesome. And of course the 2024 has the upgraded all digital dash now. Has Bluetooth and app connectivity. Haven't tested or tried any of that out yet. I literally just got the bike. It's got 30 miles on it. So give you a look at the dash there. Pretty good looking dash. I'll start it up here in a second. But that's what she looks like. The redesign on the front end, I think, looks way better than the previous gen. The colors on the 2024 are way better than the 23 and 22s in my opinion. So we'll go ahead and start her up. So obviously the bike's already warmed up, so not gonna be a cold start or anything like that, but still got the brake-in oil and everything, so I won't rev it too much, but give you a listen. But yeah, so far I absolutely love this bike. By far, I think the best looking Ninja they've ever made. And you know, first mods will probably be some new mirrors and a new exhaust, but stay posted for other videos. And I'm probably gonna do a video on the gauge cluster, going through the menu and the settings and everything, and the Bluetooth and how all that works. So stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe. Probably gonna make a lot of videos about this bike, since there are none on YouTube at all. So I'm pretty excited. I sold the 400, by the way, and upgraded to this. So this is a new bike, and it's awesome. So stay tuned for more content.